it's Addie here, and in today's video, I figured I would do a Christmas advent calendar that's 12 days of jewelry that I found from Walmart, and I thought it'd be fun to do. And it's supposed to come with, here's what it's supposed to come with, 8 pairs of earrings, 2 rings, and 2 pins, and then here's some examples of what it could look like. But let's get into this unboxing, shall we? Because I'm excited to see what all came in this. This is the first advent calendar that I've ever gotten. And I'm excited because, yeah. But just let me get my tripod set up so we can get y'all set up. Don't mind the dirt on the floor. I need to clean in here. Clean up. If I can get this set up, that'd be amazing. Oh my god. This is frustrating me. The tripod is just giving me issues, y'all. Okay, now that I got y'all set up, let's unbox this. What is up with this? Dude. Hold on, y'all. Sorry, y'all, I don't know what is up with this thing. Like, it didn't even last a full timer. I had y'all on a timer, so that it would. Okay, but here it is in all its glory. It's the first day, the second day, the third, the fourth, fifth. Anyway, let's get into this first one, shall we? We can figure out how to. Oh, here it is. But I'm excited because this is my first advent calendar I've ever had, y'all. Look, that's what's the first one, these earrings. And then in the second one, we have oh, those are cute. We have those earrings, those little heart earrings. And then in the third one we have this. Found an easier. Well, I don't want to tear that. But what is up with this? Okay, in the third one we have. Ooh, those are cute. These hoop earrings. These hoop earrings, for those that can't see, sorry. We have those hoop earrings. I'm trying not to ruin this. And then in this fourth one, we have those cross earrings. Oh, those are cute. And in this fifth one, we have, did you see the cross earrings good? Those are those ones. And then fifth one, we have, ooh, those are cute. Right, did y'all see that good? Anyway, y'all, so that's the fifth one right there. And this is the sixth one. Ooh, cute too. Here they are. Let's see if y'all can see those better. Those earrings, and then the seventh one. Those earrings, ooh, those are cute. I feel like this is more of a Valentine's theme rather than a Christmas theme. But here's the eighth one. Ooh, that's cute. It's a little clothespin, that's cute. And then here's the ninth one. If I can, hold on, y'all. Let me put y'all back on the tripod. Keep coming undone and get me frustrated. Dude. I don't want y'all zoomed in so much. Oh my gosh. Here's the 9th one. Ooh, that's cute. It's a little lame. And then the 10th one is those earrings. Those are cute. Like, those are cute, y'all. And then the 11th one is that pearl. And then 12th one is that pen. And then here y'all go. I'll just show y'all the whole thing. And full, oh, it's full glory. It's the full advent calendar, y'all. So cute. My first one too. Like how adorable. And then here's the full calendar in all its glory. Hey y'all, I'm back and it's the next day, and so far these ones are my favorite out of that. And then I'm also wearing the ring. Don't know where this pink stuff come from. I'm very confused. Anyways, it's possible from my hair because I recently added pink into my hair. It's not very noticeable though. I mean, it's somewhat, and it's better in the sunlight. But anyways, well, I added red to my hair, but it turned out burgundy. Anyways, my other favorite out of this, if I can get this out, because I'm trying to get, but are these cross earrings? And then I also really like the hearts, and it's good quality too, like surprisingly very good quality for what came in that. And all together the advent calendar, like even these ones are super cute, like these heart ones. But anyways, like I was saying, the whole advent calendar all together was $16, I believe. 16, almost $17. Wasn't bad. And really good quality too. Like so far, like I've been wearing this all night. It has not turned my finger green yet. But yeah, I really liked it and thought it was cute little advent calendar. Definitely would make a great Christmas gift idea for someone, I think. Anyways, y'all, I love y'all, and I'll see y'all in the next video. And remember, Jesus loves y'all, and remember, Jesus is the reason for the season. I hope y'all have a great Christmas, and Happy New Year's. Love y'all. Bye.